What's up everyone, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Red the Atrociraptor. He's like the vice captain. I think Ghost is like the leader. It seems like this guy's like second in command sort of thing. So I thought I'd give him a go. Okay, I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if we go too fast. We're going to start with his eye up here in the top right hand corner, so his head's going this way. So we go sort of just a curved line up and down. Like so. And then it comes back down underneath to there. So it's kind of like shape of a lemon kind of thing like that. And then we have a long cat-like eye on the inside, like so. Right, so, and you can color that black. Right, so then we got some texture lines and stuff around the eye, so like some wrinkles just for the bags around his eye and stuff, because he's real tired. No, just because he's a lizard. Right, and then we got some more sort of coming around the top, so it like goes around this way, down the back, and then like another sort of eyebrow sort of shape there. These sorts of wrinkle lines and stuff on them. Okay. Right, so then he has like a pretty big sort of frowning kind of forehead area, right? So it's kind of spiky and stuff. So we'll go this way, and every now and then you could have like a spike like that. And this comes down the back of his head and beside the eye, right, just here. So this has an interior part. So it's like a bone that goes around his eye, right? So it comes down this way and then the inside here, right? So it's kind of like encased the whole eye, right? And this kind of, it's got like some curved lines and stuff. We got like some wrinkles and stuff that go around. Okay. Then top of his snout just comes out from here. They've got like real square sort of snouts, these Atrociraptors, kind of different to the other raptor. It goes up this way. Curves down around the front of his nose. And then it goes around for his lip. Just here. So then this lip curves back and down. Right, so this will go all the way. Curving down to the back of his head and then back up around the back just into there. We have another bone section just here. Then we have a nostril just at the top of his snout, like so. And then we got like some texture lines that come down sort of his snout here. Some wrinkles across the front. And some wrinkles around, like so. So then we have another line inside here. And then some more sort of wrinkles and texture lines. You could do like circles close together like that. Kind of makes them look like a little scaly and stuff. And then of course they have the skin that go around his lip, right? So it's just this bumpy sort of, so it can be kind of random. If you want, you can have like a scar every now and then coming up from it, maybe two here. Right, and then these have curved lines going up to each of these corners. Boop, 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 boop. Like that, roughly, right? And if you want more texture and whatever you want, wrinkles and stuff all over, you can do as much of this texture stuff as you like. So that's the top part of the head. Then we'll do the bottom jaw, right? So chin, so you want your chin to be like pretty much in line with this one, right? So it's really, his mouth is really far open, right? So we're gonna put it like, that's the end of it, say there, and it goes all the way back to the jaw. So it'll go, he's kind of got a spiky jaw again, so we've got like a couple of spikes like that, and then it'll go down around for the back of the jaw, some spikes on it too. And this goes back up into there. Kind of a bumpy line now. Right, and then the bottom lip sort of comes around here, comes up. Into there. And then we have texture and stuff all over. We've got that sort of bumpy kind of thing going on again. And each of these has a line that just joins the lip there. And then you can do more scales and textures and scars and stuff as much as you want. Maybe we'll do another sort of scar here. Okay, so now inside the mouth we have tongue and all skin and all this kind of gnarly stuff, right? So we got like the skin flap that sort of joins his two lips together, right? So this thing here, and this will have some like texture on it. Lines going that direction. And then teeth coming the whole way down, right? So you just add spiky teeth. And the teeth eventually start to go like around the back here, right? But we'll get the sort of tongue in first because they're like in behind the tongue, and we'll do some of the top teeth as well. So same sort of thing, start up here. Okay, so then the tongue comes out from sort of the back of the mouth, sort of here, right? So it kind of goes around. It's kind of sticking up a bit, down. It goes in behind his teeth here. And another sort of bumpy section just here. Okay. And then we have some more teeth that go in underneath. And you can see the bottoms of these teeth because they touch his jaw, you know, the gum line and stuff. So you can have like bumping lines for his gums just there. And then, so I think he's got that other skin flap and more teeth. So we've got more teeth up here, so we'll do that first. Coming down the inside of his mouth. And again, you can see the bottoms of them because it's inside the mouth. You gotta draw these little curved lines on top of them. Okay, and then they'll have like wrinkles and stuff going around. Like so. So then the side of his lip, so it kind of comes down this way. Another sort of skin line just in there. You might see a couple of extra teeth in here. Right, and then like his jaw, so it's like, so it goes, so this is the lip, right? So it's like the outside hard skin and it goes this way. All right, and then we got like some more wrinkles on the inside of the mouth. And like the dark sort of hole for the mouth inside there, and then like loads of wrinkles around that. Okay, right, so now we'll move on with the body and the neck and stuff. So what we can see of it anyway. So we got like lots of these wrinkly, bumpy sort of neck coming down this way. And this will eventually like join his arm down there. And then the front of the neck just here. And some neck muscles on the side going this way. So we've got these sort of lizard type veins and stuff here. And there might be some like scales coming across this part of the neck. So to make these look sort of thicker and vein-like, I'm going to just like darken them up, so make them a bit thicker, a bit of shadow on them. I find this helps with dinosaurs. For some reason, it just makes them look a bit more like veins and things. Okay, that kind of thing. And then it just goes down here, and you've got like his arm and stuff. Right, so then his back goes off this way, and we have a shoulder just here. So the shoulder curves around like so, right, just underneath his chin, and then the inside of it goes that way. And you'll have like some skin folds and stuff just around this, because it's joined to his body, so it connects to the neck, just up there. Okay, so the back of his arm then keeps going down that way. Body then goes this way, right? So we got like just coming out from his teeth, we can just see his back. It's like his back leg is here. Right, and you can just see the inside of that hind leg just there. And then the tail will go off this way, right? So it'll go, it kind of flicks around at the top. Kind of thing, right? Now, so then you could leave it like that if you wanted, but I'm going to add like some more texture on his skin. So yeah, so what I will do is go like the top, so his spine will go like this way, go down there, and then it'll go up his tail, sort of around to the top, like that, right? And then we'll have like texture lines that follow the shape, right? So this curved shape for the tail, you know, this kind of thing. So you're curving around the tail, right? You want to make it look curvy. So lots of stuff like that. You could do more going up this way if you want. You're just going to do the same thing, like say on his arm. So you'll go like curve across the arm. You're just, and then up as well. So you're following the curvature, just trying to make him look a bit wrinkly and textured and stuff, right? Just these kind of broken lines. Like that. And some down his body as well. And we'll do them on the neck too. Like so. Right, so then you can thicken up some of the edge lines just to make your character or dinosaur stand out a little bit. So you're just adding like a little bit of thickness to the edge of these lines now, if you want. Okay, but I think that's good enough for me. That's how to draw Atrociraptor red. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.